Hi, I welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to do our second app. So here is my Creator Studio, code.org studio, and here is my account. So this is the app. That's what we are going to create today. Can you hear some sound? Yeah. So this app I am going to run now. It just uh, so see here. I just click run, and when I move my mouse, when I move my mouse over this cat, I get meow. When I move, I bow bow. Here I get meow. Here I get cock, 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 cock. Yeah. So this is what we are going to design sound. We are going to create some animal sounds. So this app I'm going to name, I have named here as animal sounds. I will redo it for you so you will learn it. So as usual, after entering into studio.co.org, you have to create app lab, and you will be taken to this new app page. So today I will be teaching you some new contents. For instance, okay, so this is the thing. So we should always remember the four principles to create our app. What are the four basic steps? Step one is define the purpose. So the purpose I'm going to have for my app today is this app is mainly for the kids to learn animal sounds. So here I can add many more animals, but I'm going to start with four animals. I hope you remember the rhyme. Dog says bow bow, cat says meow meow, little pig says wee wee, cock says cock the doodle doo. You can add some more animals too. So here what I'm going to do is, that is the purpose. So step one is purpose, and the idea is for kids rhyme. Then the name I'm going to have is animal sounds, or I can have different thing also, but let me have it as, you see, I'm going to have uh, animal sounds. Animal sounds. Okay. Next, save. Okay, the features I'm going to provide are uh, nothing more than but just voice of animals. That's it. Okay. Next one is step two. Step two is design your app. So I'm going to design the app. How I'm going to do is, I'm going to place the image of animals, and when I click the animal, I will get the sound played. So instead of click, I plan to use here mouse over. Okay, so you will learn something new. So here you see, this is my screen. Today for this app, I'm going to use template. Okay, so this is the design. For design phase, you should click design. I'm going to use theme for my app. You see, I have plenty of themes over here. Yeah, so I can use any one of the themes. Let me use under the sea. Yeah, I have selected it, and this is my screen. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place four images of animals. So I click here image and I drag here. So one more thing I want to tell you, if I don't want this image, you click this and drag and place it here, it will go off. Okay, so I place an image here. So totally I need four images, two, three, and four. Okay. Okay. So here today I will teach you one more visual element. The visual element is label. So label you can use to add some text over here. For instance, you see here label ID is label 1. The text I am going to add here is animal sounds. Okay. Now I can change the size of this text by selecting font size to some 18, or I can even increase it to 22. Yes, then I am going to replace the center, right? Okay, next I am going to set image. I am going to choose the image. I am going to upload the image from my system. So I am going to use the cat open. Okay, So how I got this cat images, I downloaded it from the net. So you have plenty of copyleft images. You no need to it's just see here unsplash.com. It contains photos that, and we can use the images for commercial purpose and for any other purpose we can use it. So it's free images. They are not copyrighted, they are copyleft images. So I have right clicked it and I have copied the image. Then I go to the paint and I paste it here and I save it. Okay, that's how I have created. Suppose if your image is something like this, you have to shrink your paint to get the correct image. Okay, this is how I got all my images. And next I am going to click this, choose this image, and for image 2 I am going to choose dog, upload file. I going to have dog open and it's getting uploaded. I choose this and got dog is here. Next for this image 3 I choose I my upload file, and in upload file cock, or let me have pig because cock in the rhyme comes the last. Okay, open, it's uploading. I choose it. Okay, then I'm going to select this image, choose upload file, cock, open. Okay, it's getting uploaded. Then I choose. Okay, I got the images. Now I am going to label. I'm going to place some text below. So for instance, for cat, I may write cat, C-A-T. So the kid may learn even C-A-T, cat. Next, I am going to place for dog another one label, and I am going to name it as dog. In the text field, I type DOG. You can even play with the font, family, everything. Next, I am going to place another one label. So you have learned something new today. The label field, pig. This is the label field that we have in the sign up pages, stating username, password, everything. For instance, you see here, all these are labels. Text with px, height px. This is a label. Okay, even this is a label, big label. In the same way, this is a label. Okay, label field. So in whatever app you find this is nothing but the label field. And here I'm going to have cock. That's it, I done it. Okay, next what I'm going to do is, when I'm going to move my mouse over this, I should get a meow sound. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to code. So design is over in my case. Next I'm going to code. I click this code and I am going to on event. Once again, I want to recall on event is a function. I will teach you the theoretical part a little later. So on event is a function like any mathematical function, but not exactly like mathematical function. Its syntax is more like a mathematical function. And syntax, I mean the structure. Okay, this parent, this is part. Okay, so ID, I'm going to click for image 1. For image 1, where is image 1? Image 1 is missing. Okay, so it's selected as image 2. Okay, image 2, I am going to choose this time. You can have click itself, that will do good. But to show something, I'm going to select mouse over and I'm going to paste this play sound. You see, can you find this play sound? Okay, so one more time, if I don't want this, you drag and place it back here. Okay, that's the thing. So I'm going to click play sound here and I am going to select the choose. So you have a plenty of sounds available already here. So I can search, I can either go inside animals and search from there, or you see here cat is there. So I choose this. Yes. So here it is false or true. If you give true, it keeps meow 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 meow, and that may irritate you. It's an infinite loop. That's the loop. It's a loop. The sound goes into a loop, and you keep listening to it often. So I give it false. If you want, you can try giving true. Okay. Next, I am going to make it for dog. So again, the same thing. On event, I have image 3, mouse over. Okay, but click will do good. Simply for you to learn some new features, I do this. Next, I am going to have play sound. Aha, play sound. Yeah, play sound. I'm choosing choose animals, cat. Cat, sorry, it's dog. D dog. Choose. Okay, similarly, you can do for pig and cock. And when you run this, you see here, I just move the mouse. I have not clicked it. You get a meow sound. Bobo. It says Bobo. So that's it. Now that's my code. Okay. So similarly, you can do for this. I hope you learned something. Again, I recall you 4 steps in creating an app. Step 1 is purpose and name your app and list the features. Step 2 is you have to design your app. Here I have used images, label, okay, and the screen with a theme. That's it. And step 3 is coding part, and this is my code. So for code you have to click here, and this is my coding part. And since you are the beginner, you are using blocks, otherwise your code will look something like this. You are supposed to type everything for expert programmers, right? The third part is you have to code, it's over. Next one is you have to run, final part, run, and finally share it with your parents and you can check it in your mobile. That's it. Hope it helped. Thank you.